Welcome to my channel. Arlo camera not responding? Fix it. 1. Check if it's really offline. First, open your Arlo app and see if the camera says offline or not responding. Sometimes it's just a delay in the app or weak signal. Refresh once before diving in. 2. Make sure it has power. If it's a wired camera, check the cable connection and power outlet. If it's battery powered, remove and reinsert the battery. 3. Reboot the camera. Turn it off or unplug it for 10 to 15 seconds. Then power it back on. Give it a minute to reconnect. A simple reboot clears temporary glitches more often than you'd think. 4. Check the internet connection. Open your Wi-Fi on another device, like your phone, and see if it's working fine. If your Wi-Fi is down or lagging, restart your router first. 5. Move it closer to the router. If the camera is far from your router, it might be struggling to maintain signal. Try bringing it closer, just to test. If it connects, weak Wi-Fi is the issue. 6. Restart the base station, if you have one. Unplug your Arlo base station or smart hub for about 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Wait until the lights are solid green before checking your camera again. 7. Reconnect the camera to Wi-Fi. Go into the Arlo app, right pointing arrow, devices, right pointing arrow, select your camera, right pointing arrow, tap remove device. Then add it back using add new device. This refreshes the connection. 8. Update the firmware. Sometimes outdated firmware causes the camera to stop responding. In the app, go to settings, right pointing arrow, my devices, right pointing arrow, your camera, right pointing arrow, firmware. If there's an update, install it. 9. Clear app cache or reinstall the app. On your phone, clear the Arlo app cache, or just uninstall and reinstall it. This helps if the app itself is stuck or bugged. 10. Reset the camera to factory settings. If nothing else works, do a full reset. Do that by pressing and holding the sync or reset button on your camera for about 15 seconds, until the LED begins to blink amber. Then set it up again in the app. 11. Check Arlo's server status. Sometimes the issue isn't you, it's them. Search Arlo server status online or check Arlo's official Twitter or support page. If their servers are down, wait for some time. Thanks for watching.